If you have been following me, you will notice that I have always talked about teaching your child the letter sounds first. And I still stand by that. Letter sounds help your children learn to read quickly. You may ask, why am I teaching the alphabet names? I'm teaching the alphabet names because they are also important. Without the alphabet names, I don't think your child can read fluently. Let's take, for instance, the long vowel sounds that sound the same as the alphabet names. And the long vowel sounds are the A, E, I, O, and U. You see, they have the same sound with the alphabet names. The alphabet names can also help your child in communication and in spelling, and in many other ways. We have 26 English alphabets, of which you know that 5 of them are the vowels, and the remaining 21 are the consonants letters. And we also have uppercase letter and lowercase letter, or you call it capital letter and small letter. Correct pronunciation: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Follow, like, share my videos. Thank you.